Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable security settings on Delta Exchange app. Delta Exchange offers multiple security features to protect your account from unauthorized access. These include two-factor authentication, notifications, and enabling these settings helps secure your account and your crypto assets. To enable security setting on the Delta Exchange app, first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down delta.exchange and enter it. Under this, make sure to log into your account and go to this profile icon here. Go to this main, and again you'll reach into this interface. Go to this main over here, and over here once you get into this interface of a global Delta Exchange dashboard, in the left hand side we can find the security below the preferences. Click onto the security here, and we can find this all of this account used for the 2FA, and you can also select this save session on. For the more security, if enabled, you will be logged out after 10 minutes of the inactivity as well. And over here you can also identify your verification, get verified to increase your withdrawal limits. You can click onto this verify over here, and in order to verify you need for the government issue ID selfie verification. You can also initiate it over here. Under this 2FA you can also set up your 2FA. Go to the setup here, and you can select to the scan QR, and you can simply scan the QR code shown below in your authenticator app, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to enable security setting on the Delta Exchange app. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.